Now this is the Central Deborah gold mine in Bendigo. These days it is a major tourist attraction in Victoria, but it was once a working gold mine, and in fact it was one of the last ones to close in 1954. We're going to learn quite a bit about this gold mine. It's a fascinating place. I may even cook up a dish that I reckon the miners would have enjoyed.
Well, here we are, Huey. This is the heartbeat of the mine, the winding engine.
All right, so what do we actually have here?
Well, what you've got here is basically like a winch, and it winds the cages up and down from underground. The two dials here show you where those cages are at any one time. You'll notice that the one here on your left, it says it's at the surface, and the other pointer's pointing at level 8. So we know that that right-hand cage is at level 8. This was the only access in and out of the mine for many, many years. It's 112 years old, this winder, and it is unique. There is not another working one anywhere in the world. So we treasure this.
So if somebody was down in the mine doing their little bit of work and they want to come back up, what would they do?
They'd ring a series of bells. 4 bells means raise to surface, and the winder driver would answer back with exactly the same bells to show that he understood the signal, and then that cage would be lifted to the surface and out you get. And for all various functions in the mine, as far as the cages are concerned, there is a bell system for operating.
So there was no real contact apart from those bells?
No, that was it. That was the absolute...
If you're in deep trouble, what did you do?
Prayed.
All right, where do we go?
Come in, straight through here.
Now, Ruffy, is this the most dangerous part of the mine, is it?
It is. This is called centre country. This is where the rock's curved up over your head, and it's all cracked and fractured all over the place, the tightest part of the anticline. So we call it centre country because it's right in the centre of where it's curved. Needs the most ground support, probably the most unstable part, but it's the best place for finding gold.
Oh, now you tell me.
Yeah, you'll see. See all the quartz coming in on the sides here? When you get up to here, you'll find a bit of gold.
Why is there a screen in front of it, mate?
Oh, well, I think they knew you were coming, Huey.
I think they must have. Yeah. So which is the fool's gold? Because I'm always intrigued by...
Fool's gold's over here.
All right, let's have a look at that over here.
There's a lot of fool's gold in there. You can see it sparkling and twinkling. Reason for that is it's cubic in form and it reflects your white light straight back at you. Whereas gold absorbs your white light and reflects blue. Right, Huey, this is my mate Snowy. He's got a carbide lamp in his hand here. That was one of the forms of lighting that was used underground. And before that, it used to be candles. Now, the carbide lamp. And as you can see, throws out a really good light, worth about 15 candle power when it's going full bore. It smells a little bit peculiar, but it's got that inbuilt safety feature. If that flame dies down and changes colour, then you know you've got a problem with the light.
How long are the tunnels, or how much in distance are the tunnels under here?
Right, in the crosscuts and drives, is what we call the tunnels around here, we have over 15.5 kilometres of those tunnels in an area 460 metres wide and 200 metres long.
Goodness, that's a lot.
So it's not a matter of what's under you, it's a matter of what's not under you.